Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive to Zapier, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Google Drive to Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top of your dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for and select Google Drive. Choose a trigger event that you want to use, such as New File and Folder. Click on Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to connect your Google Drive account. Click on the Sign in to Google Drive button. A new window will pop up requesting permission to access your Google Drive. Select the Google account you want to connect. Allow Zapier to access your Google Drive by clicking Allow. Once connected, confirm your selection and click on Continue. Test your trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the test is successful, click on Continue. Now, set up the action by choosing another app you want to connect to Google Drive. Select the action event that corresponds to your needs. Click on Continue to configure the action. If prompted, connect the second app by following the same authorization steps. Set the specific fields required for the action event. Once all fields are filled out, click Continue. Test your action to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Finally, name your Zap and turn it on to activate the workflow. You have now successfully connected Google Drive to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.